Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix this issue and how to clear the write protected from your USB SD card or whichever external drive you are using. So when I try to delete it, there is no option to delete, and when I try to copy and paste some data from it, this is not let me to do this, and it's saying remove the write protection or use the another disk. So this is the error I'm getting, and I know why I'm getting this error. Since my disk is write protected, so that's why I can't read and write into this disk. And hopefully you are also facing the same issue. So first what you can do is there must be the physical button on your USB or the I have observed that the physical button is on the SD card. So you can turn it off or on, but we can also check it with the help of command prompt, and easily we can remove it. Open the command prompt as admin, and you need to first of all you need to identify your external USB. I have two disks here. One is my SSD and second one is my USB. So let me type here the command. You need to type for the same command as well. Disk part. Now type list disk, and this will list your disk. Don't confuse with this is your volume partition, and disk is only 2 here. You can see its capacity is 14 GB. So I am cleared that, and I'm pretty confident that this is my USB drive. You can check its size so that you can recognize it properly, and this is my SSD. So I need to select my disk 1. So type here select disk and 1. In your case it could be different, but you need to select it like this. Now next command you need to enter is this command, attribute disk. Just copy and paste this command like this, and you can see here current read only state is yes. It means that it is write protected and you need to remove it. Read only yes. And if you see these two options, no, that means that you have physically turned it off and it is working fine. But if it is yes, that means we have to run the command here. So this is very simple command, attributes space disk clear read only. Copy and paste this command from my description box, or you can manually type it and press the enter key. Now when I press up arrow key, you can see here it's showing now no. That means that we have successfully removed the write protection from our disk, and we should be able to delete or make the data inside here. Now let me copy and paste another file into this. You can see, and we can also delete it. Now delete button is highlighted here and it's working fine now. So I hope guys you have also fixed this issue by watching this video. If still not, then somehow you have tweaked some changes into registry or the group policy editor, or your PC is controlled by your organization. That's why you are not able to do that. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.